Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is my 2013 Nissan Frontier SV 4x4. Today I spent the whole day installing my new tires and rims. I ordered them from America's Tires, level 8 wheels. You know, a lot of people, a lot of the Nissan Frontier enthusiasts do have these wheels, which is for a good reason. They're cheap and they look really good. Yeah, with that being said here, check out how my setup is right now. Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I just finished putting my 33-inch tires on here on my Nissan Frontier. These are the level 8 MK6 wheels, and this is wrapped in the Niddle Ridge Grapplers 285s 75/16s. This definitely is a work in progress, but as of right now it looks pretty good how it sits. I am currently waiting for my lift kit to come in. I should be about 2 weeks, or maybe actually a few weeks. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I ordered my lift kit off of All Dogs Off-Road, and I'm sure you Nissan Frontier enthusiasts know that they are a really good company. And yeah, so this is kind of how it sits. What I really like about it is this is stock suspension, and like how it pokes out. It's kind of nice. So yeah, sorry, the truck's a little dirty, but yeah, let me kind of show you guys the walk around of this truck. It's pretty clean. Let me show you what I've done so far in terms of trimming. So I went ahead and did some research on YouTube and stuff, and I found out that there was this piece here. I don't know if you can see, but here there was a piece that stuck out from here all the way out to here. And what I did was I went ahead and got a saw and just shaved that off, and pretty much I also had to trim like the liner well as well. And then over in the front did the same thing, had to trim this piece off all the way over there, and this piece as well. It sticks out, and what I do, I just I cut it off. And yeah, also I took the mud flaps off as well. And then for the back, I didn't do anything. This is stock how it sits. But I might end up taking the mud flaps off, but we'll see in time. But yeah, with that being said, thanks for watching my video. Definitely once the lift comes in, I'll be sure to make a video. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.